What up? This is Mike. This is my bike check. Frame is a 2008 Premium Solo. Over here, I got Odyssey V3 stem with S&M Grand Slam XLT bars with 2 sets of ODI grips for bar spins. You don't bang your thumbs. Coming down here, I got a Kink Bikeco integrated headset with a Odyssey dirt fork. Front rim is a profile hub laced to a Primo rim with Primo spokes. Front peg is a Odyssey J-peg. Coming over here, Animal strip seat with the Animal wedge seat post. And down here, I got profile cranks with drive sprocket and profile bottom bracket. Back wheel is just a Harrow 9-tooth conversion hub. It's really loud. Laced to Odyssey Hazard Light rim with a Odyssey J-peg. Tires, Animal GLH.